This is the Dimboola site in far north Queensland. There's the access track down there, which is the one going straight. This is the one leading up. There's the critical tree on the corner where all the measurements are from. Let's just pan up. We never came in that way. The owner brought us in over this hill this way because it was a bit shorter and a bit easier. It's a bit wet and boggy down on the other way, evidently, so he told us. Now the site's up in there, somewhere where the cruiser, about where the cruiser is. The original markings which were put in have since been obliterated because there's been a fire through here, and part of the fire clearing was they moved some of the dead logs that are shown on the plan, so they're not in the right spot. So what we just did was we went back to the critical tree, took a couple of measurements up to the other trees, worked out approximately where it was, and that's what we did, and that's how we located ourselves in amongst the trees there. And that's just a general view. It's all the same within a reasonable area. The drilling, I think, will show that we hit rock at various depths from about 300-400 mil. I think we got one hole down to 1500, so the soil rock interface is going up and down, but there's really no soil. It's more an extremely weathered rock, and the stuff where we drilled, where you can get down, it's weathering into blocky chunks of quartzite, which is very hard. And there's some just under me on the road here. We'll just go, these are, average about 150 to 200 mils, a couple a bit bigger. That's how it breaks up. I assume they'll use a pad footing for the tower here, so with a dog tooth tine on an excavator, you should be able to rip something down to about a metre, maybe a metre and a half on that, and have reasonably good bearing. But drilling will be a problem if you want to drill a big pier. Quartzite's very hard, and the blocky nature will just keep on jamming in the drill, so I think a pad footing's the way to go.